We went to the Philippines Tajir Preserve today. Usually they say they got 6 Tajirs to see, but today there was only 6. They said they have over 100 in the whole property, but we only got to see 3. Probably the best one to see is towards the end. The first one we couldn't even see, so I never found it. I did find a glimpse of it on one other video. Second one was hard to see too, but the third one gave us some amazing footage and some really good pictures. Stick around or fast forward towards the end and see them. They're really cool. They're so tiny. First, little Filipinos.
Alona, Bohol, Manila. More on tourists. Actually, here are expensive.
Ice flakes.
Yeah. You found already. You remember the gift about the ice flakes. Here, the Alona Beach Resort. Panglao, Bohol. There is another one. Alona also.
Popsicles. Frozen yogurt.
Oh yeah.
Go see if they got a...
Right? Is that video? You just turned on. Panglao, Bohol.
Bowls coffee.
Not twin tides.
I'd just rather ride around Bohol and go see things like this or go ATVing. How about you? What do you think? Alona Beach I think is super overrated and way too expensive. Another Boracay.